Alright, we're gonna try this again. In case somebody else wants to call me and find out if my dentist appointment is still on or something. I rerouted the wires, changed my mind as far as how things went. Ran them behind, underneath the overhead. Went to the back of this switch here. And then out. So all I gotta do is turn the key on. And we got a lamp and a camera out the back. It's been a long day. Only trouble is, remember the guy with the brain injury? He mounted the camera upside down. Did a good job, but he mounted it upside down. So the fix for that, without redoing everything that he did, was I just got a suction cup on the back, and I just turned the monitor upside down. So that works for me. It's just a skid loader. I just gotta make sure that I don't can be able to see and not run into something when I'm backing up, because that became an issue last winter. I ended up buying a mirror for a shiny new car. Oops. At least I won't have an excuse anymore. So, all right, we gotta put the door back on, and I got to put some tools away, and we'll call this a day. Yay!